Argentina's Navy is analyzing a noise that may have come from a missing submarine with 44 crew members on board. Navy spokesman Enrique Balbi said on Monday the noises heard by two Navy ships had come from around 225 miles 360 kilometers off the coast, and that the position was in line with the path the Ara San Juan would have taken to reach its planned destination. The Ara San Juan disappeared 268 miles off Argentina's southern Atlantic coast on Wednesday, with the UK, US, Brazil, Chile and Uruguay all assisting in the search. 7 failed satellite calls were received on Saturday, Argentina's defense ministry said, raising hopes that the crew were trying to re-establish contact, but it later emerged that they had not come from the missing vessel. Key questions on disappearance of Ara San Juan. Initially, the country's navy suspected that the submarine, which left the southern city of Ushuaia for Mar del Plata, more than 1,800 miles away, had suffered a communications problem. The Navy later revealed that it had reported a mechanical breakdown in its final transmission. The crew were thought to have several days of food supply, but unlike nuclear-powered UK and US submarines, the 66 meters (216 feet) long Ara San Juan is cell-electric, meaning that it has a finite supply of fuel, food and oxygen. According to national Argentinian newspaper La Nación, it was subjected to years of complex repair and engineering work in 2008, which the country's navy believed would extend its life by 30 years. More follows.